Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Modic from KuCoin to XMO in 2025. Whether you're looking to move your assets for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Modic, also known as Modic, is the native token of the Polygon network, and transferring it between exchanges like KuCoin and XMO is super common. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and XMO, and that you have some Modic in your KuCoin wallet. Also, verify your XMO wallet address to avoid any mix-ups. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Find your Modic balance there. It should be listed under the Polygon network or as Modic. Step 2. Once you're in your wallet, select the Withdraw option for Modic. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 3. Now, grab your XMO wallet address. Log into XMO, go to your wallet, and copy the Modic deposit address. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Polygon, to prevent your transaction from failing. Step 4. Back on KuCoin, paste the XMO address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address for accuracy. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Enter the amount you want to send, review the fees, and hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a 2FA verification for security. Step 5. After confirmation, your transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified. Don't send Modic on Ethereum if XMO expects Polygon. Watch out for gas fees and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it, you've successfully sent Modic from KuCoin to XMO. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.